You guys, we woke up to the cutest basket for breakfast. We have some homemade scones, some nice fresh butter, and then some fresh picked eggs. Fun fact, I got to pick these yesterday. This is so sweet. Let's go make some breakfast. I am going to have my first hand-picked eggs. What they told me is that once I have these, they have to apologize because I will not be able to eat store-bought eggs again. Good morning, you guys. I just got done making myself breakfast. Alrighty, farm fresh eggs. My first time. This is delicious. This scone, you guys. Oh my god. It smells like raspberry. Let's give this a go. Oh my god, that is buttery. The fruit in here is delicious. Being here at this Airbnb has truly been rejuvenating. Like, that is just the biggest word that I have for it. The hospitality here is amazing, from the charm of the room to the homemade pasta, farm fresh eggs that you get to pick yourself, and handmade scones by Kate's mom, Anne. You guys, I feel like just full of abundance. I'm gonna finish this scrumptious breakfast and then let's go check out their bamboo forest. Good food just makes you wanna dance. All right, you guys, good morning. I am full. I had a wonderful breakfast. The sun is shining and I'm ready to explore for our day 2 here at A&K Alder Farms. Have fun. We're getting ready to head into the bamboo forest. As you guys can see, it is a lot of bamboo and it's really cool. Come on. Oh my gosh. You guys, listen to this. That's really cool. I don't know why it's so cool to me, but it's cool. Look how healthy these bamboos are. It's absolutely beautiful. Sometimes you might even see some chickens in here as well. This is something that makes the property so unique. Good morning to you too. Where else can you go that has a bamboo forest? And there's a few different, yeah, just like he was saying, there's a few different paths that you can go through here as well. It is so magical. It really, truly is. Nature is gorgeous, and here at A&K Alder Farms, you really, really get to see that. All right, we're gonna take a little walk about the property and just enjoy nature as it is. Come along with me, friends. One of my favorite things about this property is that there are trails leading everywhere. While you're here and while you're walking around, there are sometimes that you forget that it will lead back to the same place. You can just explore this amazing property and be here for hours. I love it. Oh, hey there. You enjoying your walk? I am. I was almost afraid for a moment because I didn't bring any crumbs with me. So I thought I was going to be able to find my way back, but lo and behold, here we are. For day 2, we're going to be staying at their campgrounds. And something really fun about their campgrounds is that there are plenty of them and they are extremely private. There is a bathroom for camping down this path. You can get there without interrupting or disturbing any of the other campsites. I think that is lovely. Now, let's go set up our campsite. Here we are at our campsite, you guys. Fun fact, this is their most popular campsite, and let me show you why. Here we have our tent set up, ready for us to chill. We have a beautiful in-ground campfire that will be happening later tonight, so I'll see you then. But what's really cool is that you have this whole little picnic area that is sheltered if the elements of Washington decide they want to show themselves. I cannot wait to see all these lights lit up at night and have a fire with you guys. But for now, I'm gonna go have a hike on one of the many trails that you can find around Sedro-Woolley, and I will see you later today. You guys, I just got back from the hike. It was absolutely wonderful. It is getting a little chilly, so I'm gonna get bundled up in a blanket and start a fire and watch the sunset. I had so much fun here at A&K Alder Farms here in Sedro-Woolley. You guys, book a stay. You will not regret it. Thank you for coming along with me this weekend, and I will see you in the next episode.